This is otherwise getting very tough, right? And then of course, when we all finish to mix it in here, I just want to remember to all of you about the ingredients that we did this night. Like this, of course, you having the idea. This is not something that we're not talking about. So, questo mettiamo qua. If is that one ready also, we start to also put slowly inside this and this. Okay? That's it. Allora, can I have a little attention, everybody? Yeah. Look at me. Is this one only let meat about 20-30% of a fat amount? And we did salt, black pepper, olive oil, garlic, parsley, lemon zest. We also including the breadcrumbs, and we also having a little bit of water to remain soft and juicy. When I first soft like this, I just want to ask you what's we missing in here as a typical meatball ingredients? Exactly. So we did not be having any eggs. Why? This is grown by wrapped with leaves and grilled on bar because it's more or less like protected already, so you don't need any glue. Thinking about the eggs, you go including for the ones to cook in a sauce, correct? Because otherwise we'll be turning out the meat sauce, right? So eggs first, not in this option. Second ingredient that we're not including in here, other ingredients that we're not here including. Salt. You're asking when you're taking picture? Cheese, sorry that was bad. Cheese, any Parmesan cheese here we're not including. Normally in our meatballs in Sicily, in the one with the sauce, we do also adding a little bit of Parmesan cheese or some pecorino or Romano cheeses, that depends on where you're going. And together also with cheese, normally the bread, which is the ones that hold the remaining from days before, we do soft getting by adding into a bowl milk. Okay, so now remember, anytime you do option with the lemon, the cheese and the milk taste out, so masking a little lemon flavor, so not best idea for. And every time you do mixing pork, it's going to get very fatty, and so when you're cooking, there's all the fats going out, and then you go to wash the leaves from the fat, so that's not absorbing all any flavor or any smell. And of course, no eggs, because otherwise it can become very dry. Okay, so that's of course just meatballs with. At this point, after we mix it, taking like this, we're just making the classic meatball shapes, but getting a little flat, thick like this, like a tiny burger, and each of them will be using a leaf at a time to just spread them here like that. This will be 6 minutes in a grilled barbecue, in a grilled lamps. We flip just 1 or 2 times, no more. But then at the end, when it's ready, I offer serving with the leaf, but this is not something to heat. To reaching more the taste at the end, we're just finishing with a little lemon dressing at the end on the plates. Okay, that's of course, since it's red the meat, you can also go choosing to have a little pink color that is remaining more flavorful juice part. Okay, question? No? Do you everybody understand? Alright, so please helping him doing this please. And all of the ready one, we do setting inside this table, this plate here. On the same time here we did squeezing all of this eggplant more or less, and so we started to including the same eggplant into the cooking oil.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Happy Sunday from Sicily! We are enjoying a wonderful cooking class here in Taormina. It's the last supper with my group, with our group, and it's a wonderful way to end their tour of Sicily. And if you want to experience something like this, just visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com and ask us to include a cooking class to learn how to prepare the most famous Sicilian dishes, such as pasta fresca, so fresh pasta with a particular kind of pesto, and then they are preparing caponata. We are also preparing meat balls, and also the fish in salt crust. So will be an amazing dinner, and not only great food, but also a wonderful view, a sea view. So we are enjoying this experience at our dear friend Massimo's house, and I can wait to welcome you here in Sicily. So you can plan with us a custom private tour, or you can join one of the next edition of our Sicily Lovers Tour next year, because this year we are already sold out for the Sicily Lovers Tour. You can still ask us to plan some custom private tour for the end of the year, September, October, but the most knowledgeable guides, the best accommodations are already sold out. But we will try to do the best we can for you. So happy Sunday from Sicily, and love, hugs and kisses from Taormina. Ciao dear Sicily lovers, best things to do in Sicily.com.